Objective: learn how to use cursors in Oracle PL/SQL by creating an employees table, inserting data, and writing a procedure to display each employee's total salary, salary plus commission. Key concepts learned. 1. How to create a table and insert data. 2. How to define and use an explicit cursor in PL/SQL. 3. How to loop through cursor rows and apply conditional logic or calculations. 4. How to display output using DBMS output.put.line. What is a cursor in Oracle? A cursor in Oracle PL/SQL is a pointer that allows you to retrieve and process rows returned by a query one at a time. Cursors are useful when you need to process individual rows of a result set in a controlled manner. Types of cursors. 1. Implicit cursor, automatically created by Oracle for single-row queries like select into. 2. Explicit cursor, defined by the programmer to handle multi-row queries. What is a loop in Oracle? In Oracle PL/SQL, loops allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly. Now you can watch the complete tutorial of this assignment.
Thank you for watching and best of luck.